Well, 3 was my highest. 3 was my highest. Let me check this pedal. See if it's, nope, that's good. Huh. I do want to show you guys something while I'm sitting here. If you have watched my most viewed video, it talks about this pedal assist right here. It's a 12 magnet. It tells you what side is the operating side. You don't have to take off the arm at all. You just put it over, put the locking ring on, and position this sensor where it's like maybe 2 milliliters away. And then once you get it positioned, you can just tighten up that bolt right there and put some twist ties on it. And I put a piece of tape on it to make sure, monster tape by the way, just to make sure it doesn't move. And you're good to go. But this is the easiest pedal assist system out there to put on your bike right now, and I want to thank eBikeling for supplying that in the box. That was something that I wasn't expecting. It looked like it was it, but I wish all conversion kits had that feature in the box. All right. We're going to go and keep going. I was riding in Cheektowaga, but since I think I got 89% left, we're going to get a speed test in today, and let's get it. Let's get it. It's nice to be out here in these streets again. Let's go into, we're in Cheektowaga right now. We're actually at the Buffalo Cheektowaga border. I'm missing my mirror, I'll tell you that right now. But we're gonna climb into Amherst, see what's popping there, and do my speed test. And we're gonna do a hill climb test on the same street. But I gotta get over there first. Oh, this thing is rubbing, man. I might have to disengage the whole brake assembly to stop it from rubbing and just use the rear brakes for now. Because the rear brakes, man, these brakes are good in the rear. All right, let's go pedal assist 3. Let's see what that's about. Oh yeah, you can feel it. You can feel that little jolt. Oh yeah. Let's go over this speed bump. See how it feels. Woohoo! Let's go over this next speed bump. Oh, yes sir. Yes, sir. All right, we're going to get on the sidewalk here. We'll go back down to pedal assist 2. This front brake is rubbing. It's starting to annoy me a little bit. We're just going to go right over this person's grass. I know they're not going to like it though, but... .8 miles in. Let's go pedal assist 3, because I want to get off the street. Pedal assist 3. Oh, I feel that jolt, baby. You feel that jolt. Oh, this is fun, baby. This is fun. 18 miles an hour, pedal assist 3. And get on a pedal assist 2, make this turn. Go with the pedal assist 3. These front brakes are really rubbing, but I can't do anything about that until I get home. And I don't know how to fix it because I dealt with it all day yesterday. Alright, I hear a car coming. Give it over to the right. There's something wrong with this arm. Let me check that. I'm gonna stop and there's something doesn't feel right. I'm gonna bring it down to pedal assist 2. Something doesn't feel right about this arm. Let me check this thing. Let me check it. Because something definitely doesn't feel right about that arm. Oh, it's loose. Fuck me, it's loose, man. Yeah. This one's not loose. But this one is. I knew something about this arm didn't feel right. Yeah, it's loose. Holy shit. I'm gonna have to pull over and repair that right now. It's a good thing I noticed that. That thing is loose, man. I hope I got a big enough, yeah, it's loose. It's definitely loose. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. That's fucking loose. Wow. I don't know if I have a big enough, well, we're gonna find out. This is an emergency repair, and I don't know if I had the right tools, but we're gonna find out. Hopefully I have a big enough, this might work. If not, I'm going to have to go home immediately. Nope, I'm going to have to go home, people. That's an emergency repair. So, I don't have a big enough Allen wrench to fix that problem. So, I'm not going to do this hill test. It looks like it's... I'm going to have to use the throttle most of the way home because that's going to come off. So, unfortunately, some things like that happen on a brand new bike. I'm going to have to cut this video short because I'm not going down this hill until I get that right. As you can see, it's loose. It's very loose. This is a brand new bike, people. This is like the first time I really ride this bike. So, we're going to have to cut this video short. I'm going to have to go home and fix that. And I'm a few miles away. So, we're going to cut this video short, repair that, and then we're going to come back out. Alright? Peace out.